So this is the finished crown or Gele. That's the finished part of it. This is the end result. So go ahead and make yours. Still don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my video and like them. Also comment if you have any concern. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of Sylvia Craft. Today I'm going to show us how to make this Gele. It is called crown Gele. And in this tutorial I'll be using this champagne gold. And to start, I have this cut out. I have this 90 inches length. You see how long it is. Then the width is 6 inches. It depends on the ashoke you're using. Some comes in 7 inches wide, some 6 inches, and some 6¼ but this one particular is 6 inches and the length is 90 inches, and I have it two of it 90 inches. And to start this, I'm going to fold it like this all through the end of it. After folding it, and I'm going to sew it. Sew from here to this side to the end. I'll sew the two and I'll come back to show you. So here I'll start the sewing. This is how I'll sew it. This is it. Sew it way down, just like this. How you sew it till you get to the end. Then you sew the other one as well, the 90 inches length and 6 inches wide. So when you get to the middle, you skip 1 inches. You give 1 inches space there, because that's where you turn it from. Then you start. After leaving 1 inches space opening there, you start from the other side. Or you can decide as well to, once you get to the middle, you start from the other edge. And so after sewing, you have to turn it like this. As you're doing this, you'll be coming out from that 1 inch space at the middle. That's why I said you should leave 1 inch space. If you have a pen or pencil, you can use it to do this. You see, you're coming out from the opening there. The space, that's the 1 inch space you left at the middle. That's where you come out from. Then you drag it out. So after bringing it out from the middle, you iron it. And in ironing, first of all, iron it this way, the way you're seeing it. Then you continue like this. So after sewing it, you bring the two together. You secure it with a needle, office pin. Then you start folding like this. It should be triangle shape. I'm bringing it so close so that you get it, because this is so tricky. But don't bother, you can do it over and over. As you keep doing it, you will get it. Don't bother. It's stressful though, but just be patient to the end, and I assure you, you'll be happy at last. Continue in this manner, in this form. Triangle shape. To give you these 3 triangles, you just keep doing it like this. Continue. You see, it's tricky though, As you're doing it, be patient. You can try over and over. Try over and over. Be patient as you do this. I will encourage. Like this. These 3 triangles. You continue this way. Be patient with yourself. Don't get frustrated. Continue. Like this. Just keep doing it like this till you get to the end. At this point, I want to tack the up part. I'm tacking it. You remove the pin or the needle, then you tack. You start from inside like what I'm doing. You tack it. Like this. Tack the both side. Wow, this is it. After doing it, this is what you have. So after this, at this point, I'm going to cut these two. This is 15 inches and it will serve as the stripe for this one, the crown base. This is it. This way I'll add it. I'll add it to it. Then you sew it together. You sew it like this. You fold it into 2 and sew. Remember, it's 15 inches because it will be at the base of the crown. You do the same thing you did in the other one. The difference is that you've not attached this to anything yet. So you just do it like this and bring it out. Doing this will make your work neat. It's not like you cannot just leave it like that, but because you want it to be neat and the finishing to come out perfectly, that's why you're doing that. Bringing it out like this, then you add it, you tack it to this. You just follow this pattern, then you tack it neatly. You tack it to it. After tacking the 2 sides, this is what you have. This is it, and this is the other side. This is the stripe for you to tie it. So this is it. So at this point, once you get to this point, this is what you do. You put it on top of the base you made. This is what it will look like this. then you tack it. You have to tack it round like this whole place. You tack here, and you go to the back, you do the same thing to the, so from down you go up. Just be careful as you do this. I just want us to see it the way I did the rest. So continue like this in this form till you get to the end. Both front and back, you do the same thing, both to the front and the back.